Hello friend, welcome. My name is Donna, also known as Charming Jellyfish, noob adult fan of Lego and metalcore gal at heart. Today for you, my friend, we have this super cute little snail. So these are the bricks that you will need if you need to find your bricks. Now's the best time to pause, find your bricks, and come on back. And the red and yellow pieces, those are just what I had on hand, and you are free to use whatever colors you would like. Let's get started.